even if your country doesn't support Google Pay for purchases directly on the platform. If you've ever tried to buy a product from AliExpress using Google Pay and found out it's not available in your country, don't worry. I've got a solution. AliExpress often requires payment through Visa or MasterCard, so what we need is a virtual Visa card, which we can purchase using Google Pay. The trick here is to get a virtual Visa card and use that for your purchase on AliExpress. One reliable way to do this is by using a platform called Rewarble, which lets you buy virtual Visa cards that work on AliExpress and many other online stores. So, here's how you can get your Visa card using Google Pay. First, head over to Google and search for by Rewarble gift card. Now, choose the G2A store from the search results. Once you're on the G2A store page, pick the Visa card amount you want to buy. For example, let's go with a $10 Visa card. Click on Add to Cart, then enter your email address and hit Continue to Payment. Now on this page, you'll select Google Pay as your payment method. Simply click on Pay and complete the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully bought a virtual Visa card using Google Pay. After you've purchased the card, go to the Rewarble website and click on Get Visa. Enter the code you received in your email from G2A, then enter your email again to activate your Visa card. Now that your virtual Visa is ready, you can use it to buy anything from AliExpress or any other online store that accepts Visa. Just enter the card details at checkout, and you're good to go.